Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of our weekly market outlook. All right, so in this video, I'm going to keep everything very simple and short. All right, so as you know, we are going to start with Euro USD and then end with Euro JPY. So let's start with our Euro USD. All right, so with Euro USD, what am I expecting this week? All right, so in the 4H, we can see last week we had the market. I was expecting the market to trade into either this zone or this zone, and I was expecting market to clear out this high before it comes down, right? So exactly the same thing happened. The market cleared this out by a wick, and then we had a sell to the downside into our demand level. So right when the market got into our demand level, I was expecting it to fill this imbalance right here. The same thing happened, and then from this place we had the market moving to the upside. All right, so this week, what am I going to be expecting for Euro USD? All right. So as you can see, the markets on the 4H time frame, we are in a bullish phase right now from this side. But I'm not going to consider this as a bullish phase because my higher high has not been taken out. So this is my high, my swing high, my swing high, and then this is going to be my swing low. All right, so my swing high haven't been taken out yet. All right, but then I'm expecting more bullishness on the Euro USD this week. All right, so what am I going to be expecting? What am I going to be expecting? As you know, when I'm going to be expecting bullishness, that means I'm expecting the market to come down to find a low, go up before we get a close like this. So I'm going to look for a structure like this. All right, so this week, what am I going to be expecting? What am I going to be expecting on Euro USD? So although I'm bullish, I'm expecting market to come down to respect this zone right here. All right. So if you ask me what I'm expecting for Euro USD, actually I have no zone at this side. Okay, I have no zone right here because all this are liquidity. I'm expecting market to take out all this form of liquidity right here. So I'm just expecting market to trade down here. Then we get a move to the upside. All right. So if you ask me what I'm expecting for Euro USD, this is exactly what I'm going to be expecting for Euro USD. So yeah, my view on Euro USD is so simple and nice. If I see any change in direction or any change in the market direction, yeah, maybe we can have a different view. But then also you should be considering this level right here. Yeah, this level right here. So even though I'm looking for bullishness, I'm not, the market is not mine. I'm not the market. The market can change direction. But then that's why I always look for different options in the market, right? So that if the market doesn't play my way, it plays the other way, I still have some chance. All right, so the market can also trade into the zone before selling. All right, so yeah, this is the two scenarios I'll be expecting for Euro USD. Now let's go to the next pair, which is gold. All right, so with gold, what am I going to be expecting? Now gold, I'd like to take it from the daily time frame. All right, so on the daily time frame, what am I having? So I was expecting gold to come and respect this demand zone right here. Last week I was I think last 2 weeks or 3 weeks I was expecting gold to trade into the zone, come down, but then that didn't happen, right? So right now I'm expecting gold. I was expecting gold to come into this demand zone, and then exactly that happened. If you are in our premium, I think the VIP channel, yeah, we caught some nice sells on gold after gold swept out last week low. We had some very nice entry for a buy which went about 400 pips, right? All right, so this week, what am I going to be expecting? Now I'm bullish on gold, yeah. So if you ask me what I'm expecting on gold, I'm bullish on gold. But then what am I going to be expecting gold to do? As you know, the structure, when we are bullish, we expect the market to come and find a low before we look for the high. Now I have this zone right here, which is actually a fair value gap right here on the 4H time frame. So when I go to the 4H, we'll know. So I'm expecting gold on the daily time frame. I was expecting gold to come to this zone like this before we go up to this side or this side right here. All right, so on daily time frame, this is what I have. But then on 4H, when you go to the 4H time frame, yeah, I had this very nice zone right here, this fair value gap right here. So there's this nice fair value gap right here that gold can easily come and fill up before we get our buys. So gold can easily come down to fill this fair value gap before we get our buys. So if you ask me what I'm expecting for gold, yeah, this is what I'm going to be expecting for gold. All right. So I'm expecting gold to come down to either one of these two levels before we get our sells. Now you should also have this. Gold can easily continue to trade up to either this zone or this zone before we get what our sells. So if you ask me what I'm expecting for gold, as simple as this. Okay, I'm going to be expecting gold to either trade into this zone or this zone. All right. So our next pair is Gbpjpy-Usd. Now with Gbpjpy-Usd, I was expecting Gbpjpy-Usd to either trade into this zone or this zone, and then come to this zone and buy, right? So I had these two zones respected perfectly. Now, what am I expecting? What am I expecting? With this pair, to be frank, I'm not really expecting any nice thing because of the price action. On daily time frame, you can see the market is just consolidating around this place. But if the market is consolidating on daily time frame, you can go to the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and then you get some nice scalping opportunities, right? All right. So what am I expecting for this pair? I'm not expecting anything right now. I'll be waiting for price to either break some levels on 4H before I take some trades. Now, to be one thing I would like to discuss about this price action is, even though it has been consolidating, I'm not going to expect this demand zone to hold that strong because it has tested it three times, right? Three times, creating some relative lows right here. So this serves as liquidity. So the market can easily take out this liquidity. All right. So this is what I have for this pair. I'm not going to rush for this pair. I'm not going to really consider it until I get some significant movements or models that I'll be looking for before I consider this pair. So I'm going to stay away from this pair since on daily it has been consolidating. 4H, you can see this price action here. All right. Now, Gbpjpy, what am I expecting for Gbpjpy? Okay. So when we look at Gbpjpy, what am I expecting? Gbpjpy, I was expecting market to come down to the zone, go up, but that didn't happen. But still, I was bullish on Gbpjpy. We have now traded into our demand zone, right? Supply zone right here. Sorry, supply zone right here. So what am I expecting? I have these zones right here. I'm expecting Gbpjpy to respect. All right. So I'm either expecting Gbpjpy to trade up here and then sell, okay, or I'm expecting Gbpjpy to trade down to the side and then give us a buy before it gets a sell. Okay, so these are the two scenarios I'll be expecting for Gbpjpy. All right, so if there is any change in the model or there is any different setup I see, when you're in my Telegram channel, I have a free Telegram channel. I always keep them updated. You can join. I'll put a link in the description below. All right, so this is what I'm going to be expecting for Gbpjpy. Now, our last pair, which is Euro-JPY, what am I expecting for Euro-JPY? So with Euro-JPY, we had a market trading into this very nice demand zone, supply zone right here. And then what am I expecting? So we have the market trading into the supply zone. I'm actually expecting to short the market from the supply zone. So if you ask me what I am expecting, I'm expecting the market to trade into the zone. Then we get a massive sell to the downside. All right. So that's what I'm expecting. Either way, I'm expecting the market to either trade down here, get a nice zone here, then we continue going down. Now this can also come down to break the structure right here before we get a move to the upside to look for a zone before we get a massive sell for Euro-JPY. So this is what I'll be expecting for the following pairs for this coming week. All right, so thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, I'll be very happy if you do so, and have a nice trading week. Thank you.